Sorry, man. I don't think that fixes it though. I sound more special.
Oh, that was really good.
No!
Yeah, these are donut peaches. Why are they called satin peaches?
That's so cute.
They just named them.
Look at those ones.
How do they flatten them?
Do you reckon they...
Morning.
Morning.
I never said I quit.
Thank you. Period.
Okay, can I ask you something now?
Yes.
Do you think it's annoying or an excuse?
Deja! Be
A Valentine's Day gift while talking all things Valentine's. Can you stop? Look, I can easily not wrap it and just give him the box.
too late. You already.
Holy shit, she literally aimed at it. Did you feel the
Something
things?
that reminds me
Unless
of the
it's like
first day we met or
expensive. Do you get your friends?
Ay, nako! It's hot. Rice cakes.
This is really funny. Everyone thinks I'm a little hussy because I had a baby at 16.
I have a secret talent, but like I can burp on command.
That was good.
Anyways, Deja. Okay, so we're going to unwrap
Use my code. Bye.
Are you for real? Yeah, you can do that. Put all your ingredients here. You want caramel sauce and then...
Yeah.
Me. That was...
100 years. Only fit in one SUV. SOS. It was like this.
Wow, did you have to burp? Oh, because that's what happened to me. As well as mine, Deja. Oh my god. It's hard because Deja broke her rib. Redskins. Deja.
What?
Deja.
It tastes like Coke.
Teach me how to play Roblox Squid Games and then